Okay, and welcome back, folks. Professor Almeida here. Let's say you don't have access to a Windows PC wherever you are. Perhaps you're using a Chromebook or Apple hardware, or let's say you do have a Windows PC and for some reason you can't install Microsoft Office or get Cisco Packet Tracer working. You have an alternative available to you in your Viking portal, and let me show you what that looks like. Okay, in our Viking portal, we have Citrix Student Labs. Now, if you are taking a COS course, you should be automatically enrolled into this feature. You can see there are two labs here. The first is the COSN lab. It contains software such as Cisco Packet Tracer, Wireshark, and other tools. The second lab is for Microsoft Office 2019. A couple of things before we get started, actually two things. Number one, you want to make sure that you have a rock solid internet connection during your entire session because you're going to be accessing a Windows 10 machine over the internet. The second thing is that you may need to reset your Viking portal password before using these labs. So if you go into Citrix Student Labs, you try to launch a lab and you see it doesn't work, reset your Viking portal password and then give it a try. Okay. I'm going to launch the Office 2019 lab here. Let me show you how this all works. So again, make sure that you have a rock solid internet connection. Here's our Windows 10 machine, and now we can get started. Okay. You can see that we have Google Chrome here on the desktop, so you can go ahead and launch Google Chrome. Or if you prefer, go into your start menu, we have Firefox available too. As you can see, this is the Office 2019 lab, and all of the software you need for Microsoft Office is there. All right, with our browser open, just go to lbcc.edu, and then from there, you can get to Canvas and your assignments. Now, because you are working entirely within this Windows 10 environment, if you need to get copies of your assignments, my recommendation is to use some kind of cloud storage solution such as Google Drive or Dropbox. So again, from your web browser, just go to your Google Drive or whatever you're using and then copy your files from there. You can also email copies to yourself. That's perfectly fine too. When you are done with your session, just go to the Start menu and under Power, choose Disconnect. Now, if you are having issues with your virtual machine, you can also opt to restart, but if you have any unsaved work, it will be lost. So be careful with this feature here. So again, if you need to, you can always restart and it will relaunch your Windows 10 virtual machine. And then from there, hopefully things will work. And again, when you are done, just go ahead and choose Disconnect. Again, make sure that you have a rock solid internet connection, folks. Anyway, that's all there is to it with Citrix Student Labs. I hope you find this feature helpful out there. Good luck with your classes, and thanks for watching.